On this new short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp verification problem in less than 50 seconds. So all what you have to do, guys, first thing is you have to go to the Play Store and search for WhatsApp and make sure that you have the latest version. And if you don't have it, then it will show you the option of update. You have to click on it to update your WhatsApp. That's the first thing. The second thing is you have to go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find WhatsApp. If you didn't find it, then you can just use this search bar here in the top and search for it like this. Click on it. Now right here click on force stop, click on notifications management, scroll down, go to the message notifications and the call notifications. Make sure that they are enabled like this. Go back. Now all what you have to do is just restart your phone and reopen WhatsApp, and the problem is gonna be fixed. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.